Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens. Looking like a little bit of deja vu here, huh? This is going to be a real quick video. Just going to be talking about the giveaway flashlight. I want to thank you guys so much for all your hard work of, liking my videos and sharing it. And we're almost there. I'm almost at 150 subs, and I cannot express my elation and my gratitude. I'm very grateful, and I'm very blessed to have you guys in my life, and talking on my channel and seeing you guys in my Facebook group, Flashlight Fans. It's real enjoyable to talk to you guys, and it's real humbling to be allowed to help you guys out and to help you with decisions on flashlights. Sometimes I get a couple medical questions here and there, and I don't mind that at all. Like I said, I'm very happy to help. I've been helping people my whole life, and this is just another way for me to help people. And I know, it's a flashlight channel without getting too deep, but for me, my religion plays a big role in things, in the way how I lead my life. As you may know, I'm Christian, and I do believe in giving, and I do believe that we should help people. And it's kind of funny, sometimes I've come under attack for being Christian, but no one is perfect. I've never claimed to be the perfect human being. It's kind of funny that you see these people that are throwing rocks, or saying that they're Christian, and they are being hateful and calling people names and attacking. But it's kind of funny how people do that. But that's neither here or there. I just like to talk to you guys. I like to help you guys. And in turn, it's really good therapy for me, because, I get to talk to you guys and have fun. And I've really made some really good friends in the Flashlight Fans room and other flashlight groups on Facebook. And even now here on YouTube, it's really cool how our love for all things light kind of brings people together, and you can talk and have a mutual respect and love, because it doesn't matter what part of the world we come from. It doesn't matter what color we are, what religion we are. We're just showing and sharing our love of flashlights. And that's kind of cool that I can talk to somebody, here in the California desert. I can talk to somebody in the Philippines, or talk to somebody in Germany, or talk to somebody in Japan. That's really cool to me, that I'm able to reach out and be able to talk to people like that. And, even if their English is not so perfect, we're able to communicate with each other, and it doesn't matter. None of that matters. And that's really cool. And that's kind of what it's about. And that's why I'm doing this channel. I just love, connecting with people. So without further ado, I'm kind of been enjoying looking at the comments and people sending me, private messages, trying to figure out what the giveaway flashlight's going to be. I know last time I said that it's going to be from one of these brands that you see right here. And it's true. And many guesses have been coming in, but no one has been right. Or have they? Now, I would like to show you. Oh, wait. Hold on. That's not right. Let me move this out of the way here. Turn that off, and let's move some other stuff here. I'm so forgetful sometimes. I forget, totally forgot that there was something else behind these boxes here, and I wonder what it could be. There we go. And here it is. The giveaway flashlight is, you guessed it, the Sulfurn SP32A version 2 in black. This will be given away once I reach 150 subs. And all you have to do is like and subscribe and share the video, the original contest video. I'll be sure to link that down in the description, and just comment that you did that, and that'll record you, and I will give you a number. And once that happens, random.org will have a drawing. You'll have 48 hours to contact me at desertlumens@gmail.com. That's my email. And the winner will get a really nice light. And like I said, this is open to anybody in the world. I will ship this anywhere in the world, because that's who I'm connecting with. You guys are everywhere. So I'm going to send this out. I know some of my friends, they can't get Sulfurn flashlights where they are in the world. The shipping's too much. So this is a real good chance to maybe get one of these lights and enjoy it. So that's why I chose this flashlight. And this is a fantastic flashlight. The version 2, they made a lot of nice improvements on this. And I just did a review and first impression on this flashlight. And I'll be sure to link that down below as well, so you could see what you're getting. I have the gold one, and they have silver as well. All are equally nice. I like the black one. I got the black one just because, black is the regular general color of flashlights. So I don't want to get gold or silver and have someone not, light gold or silver. So black it is. So good luck, everybody. And I want to thank you guys once again for tuning in and watching my videos and being so kind and commenting and subscribing. You guys really do keep me humble, and you guys uplift me. And I thank you guys for being in my life. You guys have a really nice weekend and have a blessed Sunday. And once again, this has been Desert Lumens. You guys take care. Good night.